Participation in journalism, participant in Provincial Academic Olympics 2025 as third placer in Bible Quiz B with honors. De La Rosa Neil B. Most Operative, participant in Provincial Academic Olympics 2025 as second placer in Vocal Song with honors. Dries Hazel D. with honors.